With us we'll learn today, so fun in every way. B-I-S-O-U-S, Chef Bisous.
Hi mini chefs, I'm Chef Bisous. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to learn about the colors of the rainbow while making rainbow fruit sticks. Magic Micro, which ingredients will we need for this recipe? For this recipe we'll need a pineapple, a plum, a kiwi, strawberries, grapes, a mango, and blueberries. Thanks, Magic Micro. We'll also need skewers. That's what we'll use for our fruit sticks. Fruits are not only beautiful to look at, but also really healthy and full of vitamins. You and an adult can cut up all of your fruit ahead of time, like Sous Chef Encore has done for us to make it easier when building your fruit sticks. That's our safety chime. Thanks, Magic Micro. It's really important that we always have an adult present when in the kitchen. And especially when we're using these fruit skewers, which can be a little bit sharp. Before we handle food, we always need to wash our hands. Let's wash our hands while singing our hand washing song.
Turn on the tap, let's start the flow. Splishy, splashy water, ready, set, go. Squirt out some soap, just a little bit. Rub your hands together, make some bubbles with it. Scrub-a-dub-dub, it's our hand washing song. Healthy and clean all day long. Now dry those hands.
Ready to start our rainbow fruit sticks? We'll need 5 skewers. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's see what Magic Micro shows us as the first color of our rainbow. Red! Which of these fruits are red? The strawberries are red. That's right. We'll need to add 1 strawberry to each skewer. Let's be careful when putting the strawberries on because the sticks can be sharp. What comes after red in the rainbow? Let's see what Magic Micro has to say. Orange. Which of these fruits are orange? The mangoes. Let's add 1 piece of mango to each skewer right beside the strawberries. Let's check with Magic Micro again to see what the next color should be. We've already done red and orange. The next color is yellow. Which of these fruits are yellow? That's right, the pineapples are yellow. Let's add 1 piece of pineapple to each skewer. Now, can anyone guess the next color? Magic Micro, can you please show us? Green! These kiwis are green. Let's add 1 kiwi to each of the skewers. Oh, these look so good! I can't wait to eat them. But we should probably finish the rainbow, right? Let's take a look at our skewers so far. We have red, orange, yellow, green. Magic Micro, can you please show us the next color of the rainbow? Blue? Well, there's no better fruit to represent the color blue than, you guessed it, blueberries. Let's add 1 blueberry to each of our skewers. Magic Micro, can you please reveal the next colors to us? Indigo and violet? Wow, they look like different shades of purple. Now, are any of these fruits purple? Let's see. You're right, both the plums and grapes are purple. Let's add one of each to our skewers. You'll notice that the plums are purple on the outside, but yellowish red on the inside. How cool. All right, here we go. And then we can add our last one, our grape. All right, let's do it. Wow, look at how beautiful our rainbow fruit sticks are. When making these at home, you can choose any fruits you'd like to represent the different colors. Which fruits will you choose when you make these? I know that sound. That sounds like Sous Chef Encore. Magic Micro, can you please put Sous Chef Encore on the screen for us?
Hi, Chef Bisous.
Hi, Sous Chef Encore.
Ooh, what do we have over there?
Today, my mini chefs and I made rainbow fruit sticks with one fruit representing each color of the rainbow. There were so many colors though, I'm not sure I can keep track of them all.
I can help you remember them with a little song. Are you ready to sing with us, mini chefs? You can stomp your feet and clap your hands too. Here we go.
Red like sweet strawberries, fresh and bright. Orange like a tasty mango, golden and ripe. Yellow like a tangy pineapple, sharp and light. Green like a juicy kiwi, soft and nice. ROY, red, orange, yellow, G-B-I, green, blue, indigo, V, violet, completes the rainbow, ROY-G-BIV, see all the colors flow, blue like plump blueberries, fresh and sweet, indigo like a plum, a snack that's neat. Violet like a round grape, a yummy treat. In our rainbow of foods, flavors meet. ROY, red, orange, yellow, G-B-I, green, blue, indigo, V, violet, completes the rainbow, ROY-G-BIV. See all the colors flow, ROY, red, orange, yellow, G-B-I, green, blue, indigo, V, violet, completes the rainbow, ROY-G-BIV. See all the colors flow, that's our rainbow.
That was so helpful, Sous Chef Encore. ROY-G-BIV. That's a great way to remember red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Thank you. Before we go enjoy our rainbow fruit sticks, we should head back to the kitchen to tidy up. Sous Chef Encore, will you join me?
Absolutely. Magic Micro, can you please send us back to the kitchen so we can tidy up? Thanks, Magic Micro. Time to tidy, Chef Bisous.
Let's do it.
Tidy, 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 everyone should clean. Tidy, 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 part of the routine. Tidy, 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 put your things away. Tidy, 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 for another day.
Thank you for for joining me today to learn about the colors while we made rainbow fruit sticks. Remember, every dish deserves a chef's kiss. We can't wait to cook and learn with you again next time. Bye!
Chef Bisous.
Hi mini chefs, I'm Chef Bisous. Welcome back to my magical kitchen. Today we're going to be making mini pizzas while learning all about shapes. Before we begin, we'll need to put together some ingredients. Magic Micro, which ingredients will we need for our mini pizzas? We'll need ciabatta buns, pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and your favorite pizza toppings. Mine are black olives and green peppers. Sous Chef Encore likes pepperoni. Thank you, Magic Micro. Remember, with an adult's help, you can prepare your ingredients ahead of time. As you can see here, Sous Chef Encore has prepared all of my ingredients already for me. He is so helpful. There goes our safety chime. Magic Micro is reminding us that safety comes first. You'll want to make sure you have an adult with you as you prep your toppings and pizzas, and when it's time to cook them in the oven. Let's not forget that it's so important to make sure our hands are clean before we cook. Let's head to the sink to wash our hands and sing our special hand washing song.
Turn on the tap, let's start the flow. Splishy, splashy water, ready, set, go. Squirt out some soap, just a little bit. Rub your hands together, make some bubbles with it. Scrub-a-dub-dub, it's our hand washing song. Healthy and clean all day long. Now dry those hands.
Let's start our cooking adventure by talking about shapes. There are so many different kinds of shapes and they are everywhere you look. Let's look at this picture of Magic Micro's magical shape house. I see so many shapes here. What shapes do you see? I see a square. The house is a square. Squares have 4 sides that are all the same length. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. I wonder if any of our pizza ingredients today are shaped like squares. That's right. These ciabatta buns are squares because they have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. What makes pizza so yummy? For me, it's the pizza sauce. Let's add a spoonful of pizza sauce to each bun to make these extra tasty. Make sure to cover the whole thing. What other shapes do we see on Magic Micro's magical house? The roof looks like a triangle. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. Which one of our pizza ingredients is shaped like a triangle? You got it! Our cheese is shaped like triangles because they have 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's go ahead and place these triangle slices on our square pizzas on top of our yummy pizza sauce. Look at that! Putting the triangles beside one another makes it look just like a square. Sometimes when you combine shapes, they can form other shapes. What other shapes can we find on the house? I see a circle. The window at the top of the house is a circle. Unlike a square or a triangle, circles have no sides or corners. They're not pointy at all. They're smooth all the way around. Which one of our pizza ingredients looks like a circle? Yes, both the pepperoni and olives are circles because they have no sides or corners. I think I'm going to add olives to my pizza this time, but you can add any ingredient you'd like to yours. We're going to put some pepperoni on Sous Chef Encore's. He loves pepperoni. Grab a handful, place them on your pizza. Are there any other shapes on Magic Micro's magical shape house? A rectangle. The door looks like a rectangle. Similar to a square, a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Unlike a square, however, the 4 sides are not the same length. On this rectangle, the top and the bottom sides are the same length, while the left and the right sides are the same length, but much longer than the top and bottom sides. I wonder if any of our pizza ingredients are shaped like rectangles. You got it! The green peppers are rectangles because they have 4 sides and 4 corners, but their 4 sides are not the same length. The left and the right side are a different length than the top and the bottom, just like the door in the picture. Let's sprinkle our green peppers onto our pizzas. Our shape-filled pizza is now made, but we need to put them in the oven for a few minutes to melt our cheese. Let's put it in and set our toaster to toast. And now we wait. I've really enjoyed learning about these 4 shapes with you. Did you know there are so many other shapes to discover? Magic Micro, could you please show us more shapes? Whoa, look at all these shapes. This one here is a pentagon. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. This one beside is a hexagon, which has 6 sides and 6 corners. And this one is an octagon, which has 8 sides and 8 corners. Ooh, look at this one. It has no corners at all. It looks like a stretched out circle. It's called an oval. There's also a star and a diamond. These last 2 have 4 sides and 4 corners, like a square and a rectangle. But this one on the left has a top side that's much shorter than the bottom side. It's called a trapezoid. The one beside it is called a parallelogram. It looks like a slanted rectangle where the opposite sides slant the same way. I wonder if we can find any of these shapes around Magic Micro's magical house. Wow, do you see any of our shapes here? Ooh, the stop sign is the shape of an octagon with 8 sides. Oh, and look over there. There's a diamond-shaped kite stuck in the tree. I wonder how the kite got stuck in there. I see a car coming. And look at that! The windows look like trapezoids. Wait a second. Is that Sous Chef Encore driving the car? Sous Chef Encore, where are you going?
Hi, Chef Bisous. I just picked up some groceries from the store for more cooking adventures, but I'm heading back to the kitchen now.
Ooh, perfect timing. I'm so glad you're on your way back. Our mini pizzas are ready. Mini chefs, remember, the toaster oven is hot. Always have an adult help you when taking food in and out of an oven.
Oh, I love pizzas.
Me too. Oh, they smell so yummy. I want to take a bite right now, but we need to wait a bit for the pizzas to cool down. They're still very hot. I don't want to burn my tongue. You know, Sous Chef Encore, these are extra special pizzas.
Tell me about them.
Today we learned all about shapes. In fact, our mini pizzas are made up of all sorts of shapes, like squares, and triangles, circles, and rectangles. We also learned about other shapes, like octagons, pentagons, and parallelograms, and so many more.
There are so many shapes to discover, Chef Bisous. why don't we sing a song about the shapes while the pizzas are cooling down?
That's a great idea.
See you soon! You can sing and dance along if you know this song.
A cookie, wheel or ball, a coin or buttons on a doll. No pointy parts on me. What shape could I be? I am a circle, a box or a cube of cheese, a sandwich or a brownie. I've got 4 equal sides. Tell me, what am I? I am a square. Shapes, 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 what do you see? Finding them is fun for you and me. A book or a chocolate bar, a TV or a postcard. 4 sides not the same. Can you tell me what's my name? I am a rectangle, a tent or a slice of pie, a mountain or a road sign. 3 angles and 3 sides. Tell me, what am I? I am a triangle. So many shapes, they're all around. Wherever you look, they can be found. Shapes, 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 what do you see? Finding them is fun for you and me. Diamonds, ovals or stars, trapezoids or pentagons. There are more shapes to uncover. Keep looking and discover all the shapes.
What a great song, Sous Chef Encore.
Thanks, Chef Bisous.
Now we know we can find shapes wherever we look. I wonder what shapes you'll find around you, mini chefs. Ooh, I bet those pizzas are ready now, but I left the kitchen in such a mess.
Magic Micro, can you please send us to the kitchen so that we can tidy up? Thanks, Magic Micro.
Time to clean.
Tidy, 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 everyone should clean. Tidy, 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 part of the routine. Tidy, 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 put your things away. Tidy, 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 for another day.
Thank you for joining me today to learn about shapes while we made mini pizzas. Remember, every dish deserves a chef's kiss.
Shape-alicious.
Bye, mini chefs. Can't wait to learn and cook with you again.
Chef Bisous.
Hi, mini chefs. I'm Chef Bisous. I am so glad you've come back to join me in my magical kitchen. Magic Micro, what are we learning about today? Opposites. What are opposites? Opposites are things that are completely different from each other. For example, ice cream is very cold and soup is very hot. Cold and hot are opposites. This smiley face is happy. This one is sad. Happy and sad are opposites. This box is open. This box is closed. So open and closed are opposites. Yay! Sous Chef Encore is here.
Hi, Chef Bisous. What are you and the mini chefs learning about today?
Hi, Sous Chef Encore. I was just telling our mini chefs about opposites, like hot and cold, happy and sad, and open and closed.
Oh, I actually have a fun little game about opposites.
You do? Can I play?
You sure can. Magic Micro, work your magic. You can sing and dance along if you know this song.
We're gonna have fun today. In the basket, a quick little game. I'm so excited, I can't wait to play and learn about opposites. Let's take a look into our opposites picnic basket, Chef Bisous.
Ooh, okay. What do we have here? A block of cheese and peanut butter?
For round one of our game, I want you to feel how these are opposites. Take your finger and feel the top of each.
Okay. Interesting, Sous Chef Encore.
Do you feel how these could be opposites? Yes, I think I do. Bumpy and smooth.
Smooth and bumpy.
It's the opposite game where we learn as we play.
Wow, that was neat, Sous Chef Encore. I wonder what's next in our opposites game.
I think you're gonna like this one.
An apple and a banana?
Yep, for this round, I want you to hear how these are opposites. First, try a bite of this apple. Next, take a bite of this banana.
Mmm.
Do you hear how those are opposites? Yes, I think I do. Crunchy and soft.
Soft and crunchy.
It's the opposite game where we learn as we play.
That last round was so much fun. They were crunchy and soft. Could we also say that they were quiet and loud?
Yes, that's right. There can be more than one type of opposite to describe something.
Oh, how cool.
Yeah, so for our final round, do you think you can tell me how these next foods are opposites of one another in more than one way?
Oh, that might be tough, but I'm willing to give it my best try. Okay, here goes. Ugh. First is this ham.
Oh my goodness.
I also have these raisins.
Can you see how they can be opposites in more than one way? Yes, I think I do. Big and small.
Small and big.
Heavy and light.
Light and heavy.
It's the opposite game where we learn as we play. It's the opposite game where we learn as we play.
That game was so much fun. I'm feeling pretty hungry. Would you like to bring this food back to our kitchen so that we can put together some lunch? I think they'd be perfect in sandwiches.
Magic Micro, can you please send us back to the kitchen? Whoa! Thanks, Magic Micro.
Chef Bisous, this doesn't look like sandwiches.
You're right. We're missing a key ingredient.
Bread.
I have two types of bread here, white bread and a baguette.
Can I please have the baguette?
Sure, I'll take the white bread. Now to assemble our sandwiches.
Wow! These look so yummy!
Right? And they're opposites.
They are?
Yes, yours is full of crunchy things like that baguette and the apples, while mine is very soft with the soft bread and the bananas. Yours had that big ham in there and mine the small raisins. And remember that bumpy cheese? Mine has the smooth peanut butter.
That is so cool, Chef Bisous. All right, it's eating time.
Wait! Hold on, Sous Chef Encore. Food is so much more enjoyable after we clean up.
You're right. Tidy, 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 everyone should clean. Tidy, 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 part of the routine. Tidy, 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 put your things away. Tidy, 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 for another day.
Thank you for joining us today to learn about opposites and learn more about the yummy ingredients for our opposite sandwiches. As always, a yummy dish deserves a chef's kiss.
What's the opposite of yucky, Chef Bisous?
Delicious.
That's right. These sandwiches are delicious.
Bye, mini chefs. Can't wait to learn and cook with you again next time.
Chef Bisous.
Hey grown-ups, like and subscribe and head over to our website, chefbisous.com, for free activities, recipes, music, and more for your mini chefs. Thanks for watching!